finest picker. There you go. Fortunately, the band is out of order, but... I mean, it does open. Alright, I'm going on the bus.
Oh, that's funny. Oh my god.
It's kind of like me when I'm tired and driving.
This is unreal. It's like painted tables.
I know, Route 66 stuff. Oh, yeah.
Uranus, Missouri.
Yeah, you're on your own with that one. We did our pictures. Let's pull up the ceiling. Ready?
Cool.
This is right up your alley. Funny.
Oh, the baby rattlers.
Oh.
You want to take a look at the baby rattlers? Remember, we're on Route 66, so...
Yes, that's cute.
This is for the museum. I like the shirt, but it's more for the museum. Oh, cool. This has all the different, like, towns and stuff on Route 66. Oh, this is awesome.
As if you die today. That's right. You must live your days as if
Oh, of course, they have a Zoltar.
Because one day they will be. You know what I mean.
Oh, wow. They got a shop. Wow. A lot more than fudge. Shit. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at this place. Anyway, guys, we are on our way to Branson, Missouri, and I had a coworker that told me to stop here, and I'm glad they did. Oh my gosh. This is total Adam DeWoo, Justin Scar, Route 66 tourist stop, and I am loving it. This is crazy, and there's 2 rooms here apparently, at least. Of course, you know I'm going to try and find a t-shirt or a magnet here. Oh, something like this would be cool, but that's a postcard or something. If I can get that in a magnet, that would be awesome. Ooh, what's this? It's like a 4-pack of magnets. How much is that? Ooh, $16.99.
Toasty in the rear.
No, we actually have t-shirts over here, hon. We have it in red and blue.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. This one's kind of a little scratched up, but... Alright, we're getting this, folks. Yes, 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 yes. Oh. Ooh. Oh, shit.
Can you not pick?
Oh, no. Actually, I thought I had one. No, I see this.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. Look at this one hiding over here. Can you reach it? If it electric.
It's a magnet.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Suites at Fall Creek. Our home for the next few days in Branson, Missouri. This was not our original place we were going to stay at. We were going to be staying at a small little cabin nearby, but they canceled on us last minute due to some unexpected maintenance. So we ended up here. The Suites at Falls Creek, which is being turned into some sort of, I don't know, timeshare thing related to the Hilton. We turned down all the timeshare stuff. We had enough of that when we had our trip to Vegas. But we got a room here for a few nights at a pretty decent rate. But we got a pretty decent sized room here. Room 2323A. We have mini golf if we want it. There's also a hot tub over here, an outside hot tub, an outdoor pool which is closed for the winter. and an indoor pool in the main building where we checked in. All right, here's the quick room tour.
Just ring our doorbell.
Yes. All right, we have a dining room. Giving the tour here. Here's our kitchen. The maintenance guy's tools. Pretty nice fridge. And somewhat modern. Yeah, I mean, the kitchen looks like it's been updated for sure, at least.
Yeah, except for the dishwasher, which looks like it's about 100 years old. None of them plan to do dishes, so
Oh, yeah, that's. Yeah, no, that's.
you have to, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's definitely dated.
I don't plan to do dishes.
Yeah, these counters are fairly new, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's they're definitely updating it in stages. It's a big room though, a big living room too. So, right, a nice TV. And the bedroom. Oh, we also have the bathroom here. Big old tub, I like that. A big old bed. And another TV. Yeah, we'll definitely do some outside exploring eventually. And I guess this just goes back to the bathroom. Yep.
Did you want to go out there?
Yeah, take a look at it. That's a nice patio. We can get to it from the bedroom as well. Oh, cool! It's screened in, yeah, so you can sit out here and not have to get the bugs. Ooh, got a little fan out here too. Okay, I like that. Okay, I can chill out here. Very nice. Apparently, we also have a tennis court. We are building number 23. Building number 24 is next door. Yeah, the cabin that we had reserved was really, really cute. Very sad that we couldn't stay there, but I think this will definitely work for a few days. The price was right, and yeah, I think it will be good once we get past the whole sales pitch thing for their timeshare. Or vacation club, or whatever you want to call it. It's all the same thing. Didn't include it in our Las Vegas series of vlogs, but we ended up going through like this 3-hour, very intense, very high pressure timeshare presentation for Diamond Resorts. Yeah, that was a bad experience, and nah, I won't do it again. The only thing I would ever consider would be the Disney Vacation Club, but that would be about it, nothing else. Alright everyone, well, night has fallen here in Branson, Missouri. Yeah, we had a nice evening. Didn't do a lot. It was a really, really long day of driving. We had some dinner at a bar and grill that was right next to the hotel here. Then picked up a couple things over at the local Walmart, and I think we're gonna settle in for the night. We're definitely both pretty tired. Yeah, I honestly don't know how much there is to explore here. The outdoor pool is closed for the season. Looks like someone's working by the hot tub or cleaning it. There's a little miniature golf course there. And a picnic table. And that's about it. There's no real direct path that I can see to the indoor pool, which is straight over there. We are going to do some indoor swimming at some point, not tonight. But yeah, that's about it. Paths aren't really lit or anything. Yeah, let's just walk back this way. Yeah, this place definitely doesn't have the same type of atmosphere of any of the resorts that we have visited over summer. A little different. But like I said earlier, this was a last minute decision. We had actually already purchased admission tickets to a couple things, and so we couldn't really cancel the whole trip. So we found this place and booked it. And like I said, it was a pretty decent price, but they're kind of in a transition phase currently, and they are renovating a lot of things. And like I said, they're turning it into some sort of Hilton related vacation club timeshare thing. And yeah, after you check in, they send you to the concierge desk to get your parking pass. And that's when they hit you with the sales pitch for the timeshare. And for that reason alone, I probably won't be staying here again. And we'll see how the next couple nights go. Overall, the room is pretty nice. You can definitely tell that it's in the process of being renovated as well. But it is very clean. But hopefully, someday when I do return to Branson, I would really like to go back to that cabin that unfortunately got canceled on us. It was for a very important reason, and I don't blame them, so it was definitely a safety thing, and you know these things happen, so we're making the best of it. This is our little outside patio area. What's really cool is it's netted, so you can kind of let the breeze come in if you want, sit outside and don't have to worry about any bugs. There is an outdoor hot tub that is still open even though the outdoor pool is closed. That's what they're cleaning or doing some maintenance on currently. A little chilly outside for me to do that though, so I think I'll be skipping that. But we are still going to try and get to the indoor pool once or twice over the next couple of days. I'll definitely try to film a little bit of the indoor pool once we go over there, but for now I think I'm going to wrap it up for the night. It's been a very long day of driving and I'm pretty tired. We will see you guys again soon.